how to verify identity on PrizePicks. Now, if we navigate through the official website of PrizePicks website right here, we can then go ahead and see this article about the verification. Now, in here, we have the why am I being asked for my last digit on my SSN. If your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means they need more information before they can verify your identity. To complete the process, you'll need to put or input your last 4 SSN digits, and they will securely process your information to attempt to verify your identity. The last 4 digits of SSN is only used for verification and not be stored for post-registration. From there, it will then go ahead and ask you for your photo or ID, and right after, you can go ahead and wait for a couple of days or minutes and your account will be verified on PrizePicks. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.